Attention investors and buyers, take a look at this Miami fourplex opportunity. Located at 13 Northwest 108th Court, this property is listed at $899,900. It offers 4 units, 6 parking spaces, and excellent income potential in a strong rental area near FIU. The property features a 1-story layout, fenced outdoor space, and patio areas that add to its appeal. With a mix of 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units, this is a solid opportunity for buyers looking for rental income and future upside.